Okay, so we got a leak in this mini split head, and we're gonna pick it up with our very expensive $1,000 leak detector. And you see the level rising right there. That is a pretty significant leak in the coil. We'll back off from it now. Watch it go back down and then reapproach. There's the tip. So yes, we have a leak in this evaporator coil. I've actually already tested or checked the brass fittings indoor and outdoor. I was hoping they would be there, or that the leak would be there, but it's not. The leak is in the evaporator coil, unfortunately.